Hi guys. Y'all all know me already, so no need to introduce myself. So it's been a long time. Shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step to. No, seriously, it's been a long time. So it's on you.
I don't want to live my life without you here by my side, 'cause I'm finding it so hard. All I do is hide. I've been finding it so hard. I cannot seem to understand why you're not by my side, right here to hold my hand. You flew away, you flew so far. I need to know where you are. Are you an angel or a star? You're still in my heart. You flew away, you flew so far. I need to know where you are. Are you an angel or a star? You're still in my heart.
So confused. You had my head spinning, thinking about you, and the tragic way it ended had me twisted. You had me running to hide, you had me looking to the sky, had me asking God why I miss you by my side. It's got me going crazy. The way you touch my heart, yo, it really does amaze me. Maybe you in a better place now, but that doesn't change how these tears keep running down my face now. In my heart, you was my best friend. You taught me if at first I don't succeed, dust it off and try again. Those were the days you got to keep me strong, but like you said, I gotta hold on and press on. It won't be long until I see you again, so I gotta find a way to live and make it till then. But I still sit and I wonder where you are. You in my heart, how you an angel or a star?
You flew away, you flew so far. I need to know where you are. Are you an angel or a star?